In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new blog in HubSpot step by step, even if you don't have a custom domain yet. Whether you're starting a company blog, building your personal brand, or launching a content marketing strategy, HubSpot makes the process simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through every setting so you don't get stuck. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple HubSpot tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on the settings icon, the small gear symbol. This will open your main account settings area. From here, go to the left sidebar and scroll until you see Website. Click on Website, then select Blog underneath it. This is where all your blog settings and blog instances live inside HubSpot. Next, you'll need to create a new blog. Depending on your HubSpot interface, you'll either see a button that says Create New Blog or Add Blog. Click that button to begin the setup process. HubSpot will now guide you through a short configuration wizard. Now it's time to name your blog. You'll be asked to enter 3 important details. First is the internal blog name. This is just for you and your team, so name it something clear and recognizable. Second is the blog header title. This is the public name that visitors will see on your website, so choose something that matches your brand. Third, select the language your blog will be published in. Once you've filled in these fields, click Next to continue. After that, you'll choose a template for your blog. HubSpot provides several free themes to get you started. You might see options like a blog starter theme, a clean minimal blog layout, or a blog listing and post template combination. These control how your blog listing page and individual post will look. Pick the design that best fits your brand style, then click Use Template. Next, you'll set your blog URL. If you don't have a connected custom domain, that's completely fine. You can choose the HubSpot free subdomain option, which will look something like yourname.hs-sites.com/blog. Select the free subdomain option and continue by clicking Next. You can always connect a custom domain later if you upgrade or decide to use your own branded URL. Now you'll see the blog configuration settings. Here you can customize details like your default author name, comment settings, social sharing buttons, blog header and footer options, and subscription settings. If you're just getting started, don't worry about perfecting everything right now. You can skip most of these settings and update them later once your blog is live. When you're ready, click Finish. And that's it. Your new HubSpot blog is officially created. Now let me show you how to start publishing content. Go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. Then select Website and click on Blog. This will take you to your blog dashboard. From here, click Create, then choose Post. The blog editor will open and you can start writing your first article. You can use HubSpot's built-in editor to add text, images, calls to action, and even use AI tools to help generate content ideas or drafts. Once your post is ready, you can preview it, optimize it for SEO, and then publish it live to your new blog. That's the complete process for creating a new blog in HubSpot, from setup to your first post. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot and digital marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.